All right, guys, we're down here at the Reptile Super Show, and I'm gonna take you guys on a little tour. Oh, there it is. Not far enough forward. There. It's kind of an awkward angle, but
Right.
it's like a, I don't know. Oh, where do you come from? Look at that good-looking guy there. Oh, that's a nice camera you got there, huh? Let's do a quick video.
Cool.
All right, you just want to introduce yourself and tell me what you got here?
I'm Parker Steen, also known as Parker's Park, and I've got a baby U.S. captive bred Bomei right here.
Nice. And you're one of the few people in the United States that's produced how many species? Like multiple species of tree monitor, right?
Currently produced 4. I've produced Bomei, Racingerai, Cornensis, and McRae.
Okay.
So working on greens and blacks this year, hopefully.
All right, so if anybody wants to find you, where can they find you?
Instagram, my Instagram's Parkers_Park_. My morph market's just Parker's Park, a bunch of tree monitors as the profile picture. And yeah.
Cool. Thank you, bro.
Awesome, man. Thank you. Spotted. So that girl right there is actually from the first clutch that ever hatched in North America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's tweaking? Oh, sorry. Is she gonna snap on me?
No, she's chilling.
Okay.
She's just taking things slow. If she does anything, she'll just try to jump somewhere.
I don't want to do a wrong interaction with her and mess you up. You know what I'm
you're
saying?
totally fine.
I have a monitor, so I know how to
Yeah.
mindset. If somebody else is that they're not used to,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? So
What's nice about these guys, because of the way I interact with them like right out of the egg, it seems after that there's just like nothing I can even do to scare them. Like,
okay, gotcha.
They're pretty
There's a lot of
fearless.
monitor breeders.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You like the chin scratches.
Oh man.
She's loving that. That's hilarious.
Hey, baby.
You want to do like an informational video or something?
Oh! I am so glad that was on film.
Brother,
Oh man, look at that. I'm so glad this is on video.
Bit of a drive. How old is he? Like 3, 4? How old is he? About 4 years old?
He's about 3.5.
3.5? Yeah.
Is that a black dragon?
Yes, sir. It's huge.
Wow. That's a huge coming on.
He's a big boy, huh?
Yeah.
Sick as hell, dude. Guys, we're down here at the Reptile Super Show in Pomona. I'm down here with Adam Wickens. So what did you think about the Reptile Super Show?
I felt like it was a really good Super Show. I felt like it was much better when I learned that Bionic Benny was coming. I'm a big fan. Everything that I've ever learned about YouTube is from Bionic Benny. So I feel like that was like the highlight of the show. I feel like it was kind of cool too that there was so much variety here and there wasn't snow on the ground outside. Everything was fantastic and I highly recommend coming to the show.
I appreciate you, brother.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
Make sure I don't hit that tail
That
though.
is just crazy.
Be careful. His tongue's not flipping.
I'll be happy with it.
It's gonna go to your rep. That hurt. Dang. Bamboo. Good girl. Come on. Up.
I'm usually traveling.
They're going. Good girl.
This is sick. Oh my
Girl,
god.
Bamboo.
This is like once in a lifetime experience.
I know, that's awesome.
I'm probably the only one-legged guy that's done this. Oh my god.
You can lean forward a little bit so I she's.
This is crazy. There's nothing like my water monitor. I need some pictures too, though.
All right, guys, I'm down here with Brian Kusko at the Reptile Super Show in Pomona. And Brian, so what do you think about the Reptile Super Show down here in Pomona?
Man, they got some good chicken and waffles, let me tell you what.
I know they got that.
Bro,
But beyond the chicken and waffles, what would you recommend, or would you guys recommend people come here?
beyond chicken and waffles?
Beyond chicken and waffles. You think this
What
is the
else
best
do you
reptile
need?
show in California and on the West Coast?
I mean, so there's definitely going to be reptiles. You get that at every reptile show.
Yeah.
You don't always get chicken and waffles.
All right, Brian, where can we
That's
find you?
Roscoe's. No, Where can you find me?
Not your house, but you know, social media.
Brian Kusko, Brian Kusko.
Thank
Google
you.
it and don't judge me too hard.
All right, later.
Yeah, she does.